Now, for those of you who would like to get my hair, I have a deal. My supplier sent me a deal for this hair, the same supplier that I got this hair from. Got this hair in 2021, I guess, 2021 to 2022. The last bulk buy that I did, no, that wasn't the last bulk buy I did, but I got it around 2022. So this hair is about 3 years old. As at when I sold this hair 3 years ago, I sold it for about 480, right? It's a 4x4 closure, and it's 18 inches or 20 inches, but I layered them. Right now, this hair is retailing for 820, 850, 800, between 800 to 850, because this is a single donor young person's hair, meaning that this hair has not gone through, the person who donated this hair hasn't gone through bleaching or any of that. So it is a very, very high quality hair. It's a single donor 4x4 closure layered wig. Now, my supplier has said that if I'm able to buy 10 kg of this hair, 10 kg. Remember, I told you that this hair, as it is with the wig, as a wig with the front, the closure and all, is selling for about 800,000, between 800 to 850. Now, my supplier has said that they will give me, if I'm able to buy 10 kg, meaning I need about 35 people, right, to buy this hair. Now, if I'm able to buy 10 kg, they'll sell this hair to me at 540. Yes. So instead of paying 850, 800, you are paying 540, 540K for this hair. Hey, I'm going to put a picture of how much they sell this hair, and at a shorter length. And they want me to get about 30 to 35 people to buy 10 kg. So if you are interested and you would like to buy this hair, please, I don't want people who are not interested. I don't want people who will not buy, because I cannot get the discount if I don't get up to 30 people or 35 people that are ready to buy. And I cannot buy it until the 30 people are complete. So if you would like to buy this hair, there are also shorter lengths, so it doesn't necessarily have to be this length. The shorter lengths are cheaper, but this particular length, just as I'm wearing it now, look at it, just as this length is 540. There are shorter lengths for lower prices. So I'm going to put the price for the shorter lengths in the group. So if you would like to get more information, please click the link in the description bar to join the group. On that group, I'm going to post the 2 hairs or 3 hairs that they sent to me that they are willing to give me a great discount on. Remember, these are not just regular multiple donor hairs. This is a single donor hair. Now, remember in my last video, I told you that we have single donor, multiple donors, right? And this is a single donor hair. If you can see the quality of the hair, this is a single donor hair that they are willing to give me a good discount on. So if you would like to get this hair or the other ones that I'm going to, it comes in black and it comes in 2 other colors. So if you would like to see those colors and know the prices, please join click the link in the description bar to join the bulk buying group. So basically, we come together, buy this hair at a very, very cheap rate, and then we distribute it to you. It basically takes about 2 weeks to get to us, depending on how long we are able to gather the people that are needed to buy the bulk. And also, if we are coloring the hair, if you want them to factory color it, all of those also take time. So join the group, and then we can discuss on there and know which hairs we are going to buy first. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'm still lobbying for other hairs. So once I get a good deal on those ones, I'm going to put them on the group. We have Burmese, we have egg roll, super egg roll hairs that are very bouncy. We have so many deals. Even if you're a reseller, you want to start a hair business, you can join the group and buy in bulk and go and sell to your customers. See, people are cashing out selling hairs for 1 million naira. I have a hair that I bought 500, I bought that hair 5 something. I think it was part of some of the last hairs that I bought before we stopped selling hair in 2022. And that hair right now is selling for 1.8 million naira. It's a 40 inches bone straight hair. And that hair is selling for 1.8 million naira. And my supplier is telling me that if I can get people that will buy it for 1 million, 1.2, depending on the closure size, they will sell. But I've told them to hold off on that one because that's quite pricey. And let's start with these ones that people can easily buy. Okay, so if you would like to buy this hair, or you want to see the other hairs that my supplier has given me discount on, join the group so you see. I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this video was informative to you, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye. Oh, I forgot to say that we have closures that come like this. This is a very beautiful closure. See, I don't even know if you guys can see it. It has a beautiful hairline. You can see that. So if you are interested and you want us to make the closures like this, we can also make the closures like this. This is a very short closure that I'm trying to figure out how to style this hair. Once I figure that out, maybe I'll wear it in my next video so you guys can see. But I really love this hairline, and you can see how it blends in beautifully. So yeah, see, I have a lot of great deals for you guys. Just stick with me, join the group. If you're wanting to start your own hair business, or you just want to have beautiful hairs that you can wear for yourself at affordable rates that are not outrageous. Imagine buying this hair for 540 and coming back to sell it at 800. Like, people are really cashing out. So even if you're not in Nigeria, you can buy and then we ship it to you. Even if you pay shipping to you wherever you are, you're still saving a whole lot of money. Do you understand? And I would advise, if you are not in Nigeria and you want to buy, it's best to buy buy like 2, so that you can utilize your shipping weight properly. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.